Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to set Google Chrome as your default browser on Android. If this video was helpful, let us know in the comments, leave a like, and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Once you're there, scroll down and tap on Apps. Next, look for the option Choose Default Apps and tap on it. Then select Browser app, and you will see the available browsers on your device. If Google Chrome does not appear in the list, go to the Play Store, download, and install it. Once installed, go back to Browser app, and now Google Chrome should be available. Select it, and that's it. Google Chrome is now set as your default browser. From now on, every link you open will automatically launch in Chrome.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.